will also come just in time for the fashion pop event, of course.
Yeah.
Will you be part of that? The Design Lab is an innovation hub at the University of Twente, where we use design methodologies like design thinking, to bridge academic knowledge and societal questions in the very broad domains. The Making Sense project is like a win-win project for both scientists and citizens. We help citizens with all the knowledge they need to be able to understand their environment and take appropriate action, and thereby generating data sets that are then open and can be used by other parties like academics. Doing a successful citizen sensing project takes a lot of time. So it meant all these projects were at least between 3 to 6 months of actual work. And to be able to sustain the development and sustain interest of people for so long time, you really have to make sure that 1 or 2 or 3 of their motivations are actually catered for. You have to make sure that any processes that you use are really engaging. So we had physical meetups, we had online channels, help desks, we had onboarding toolkits. So we had a huge support structure in place from these intermediary organizations to make sure that people kept and sustained their interests. I think it's extremely important that you're very clear from the beginning to make sure that all the participants know what they can expect from the project, from the experts, from the intermediary organizations, and you're clear to them that you're here to help them solve their problems, and that is not to solve their problems in the beginning, because first of all you cannot, and it's also not your role. Find the people that are willing to do this and work with them. So it's most important to do that. Then you can use specific engagement methodologies within your workshop setting or within your trajectory setting that help to make a level playing field so that the researchers and the other participants, they both feel at home and they feel welcome and safe to say what they want. So that's important. Then it's also important to show the outcomes. This is important for the participants, but also for the other academics that can then see that what has been done is actually useful in a way, either to society or to the academic world, or both. Each of the 3 cities of the Making Sense project, we had different results. So in Amsterdam we had tangible outcomes in the public space, but also the RIVM has taken up a citizen science policy, in part based on our project. In Barcelona we had a square, the Plaza del Sol, that was refurbished after the project, and also the regulations around sound pollution have changed. In Kosovo, they implemented a new law against air pollution as well. So I think we had very tangible results. To be able to communicate our methodologies, we have packed everything in deliverables, as you always do in European projects, but also in a very readable book containing of 25 methods that people can use to do their own experiments and projects. But to have such a multifaceted consortium I think it's very important to have something like that, because then you can approach the thing from all the different angles that you need. So citizen engagement, academics, bridging your way to policies, the bottom-up community management, and then all that together made, I think, a very successful project.